everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's 5 a.m. today and I woke up feeling super productive. So I wanted to make this day the most productive day of my entire week. So first thing in the morning was to complete lecture number 5 of gravitation chapter. So before coming to Kota, I already made up my mind that I will be completing my entire physics syllabus from MR sir. I love his content, I love the way he teaches, and I understand what he teaches easily. I also have to attend offline lectures daily, so I take out extra time to complete his lectures. This video is of almost 3 hours and has 50 pages PPT. So what I decided is that first I will watch the lecture properly and complete it, and after that I will start writing the notes. So after completing the lecture, my laptop was almost dead and it was breakfast time. I went up to have my breakfast and we were served masala puri and I ate it with mayonnaise. I know, don't judge me. And after coming back, I wanted to edit something in my YouTube regarding with my life. So what I have decided is that I will be studying live from 4 p.m. daily with you guys. I hope you guys will join my live and we can be study buddies together. For more information regarding this, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So after scheduling my live, I went back to write the notes of the lecture that I completed earlier. So after having lunch and spending some time with my friends, I decided to come down and solve some PYQs. But I did not finish the entire chapter and wanted a platform where I could solve PYQs topic-wise. Hence, I opened this app named Neet, which has questions taken from each and every line of NCERT and has 30,000 plus questions. Neet Physics has lectures on important topics to understand the concept, a formula section to learn all the physics formulas, formula revision section where you can solve questions which is built to apply and practice the learned formulas, and a PYQ section where you can find 30 plus years of PYQs for practice. Neet test series are 100% NCERT based, and the most important point is that 96 out of 100 questions in biology and 42 out of 50 questions in chemistry came in Neet 2022 from Neet app. So what are you waiting for? Download the Neet app using the link below in the description box and use my code Aditi300 to get off. After completing the PYQ questions, I had to clean my room for the room tour which I am going to shoot today. After the shoot, I decided to study inorganic and organic chemistry.
We've come so far since we began.
In organic chemistry, we just entered the 12th part, and I will be writing the reactions, the preparation reactions, and remembering them all. So it was almost 6 p.m. and I was feeling hungry, so I decided to make cup noodles.
अच्छे तरीके से माइंड मेकअप कर लीजिए कि आज हमारा लगने वाला है, ठीक है। और अच्छे से मतलब तैयार हो जाओ ना, एक बार दिमाग को समझा दो। दिल तो बच्चा है जी, दिल को भी समझा दो, दिमाग को भी समझा दो कि झटका लगेगा, मजबूत रहना। आसपास में खाने पीने की चीज रख लो, है ना। एक ठंडा पानी का गिलास रख लो, टाइम टाइम पे मुंह पे मारते रहना, नशा उतरता रहेगा, है ना। एक प्लेट में नमक रख लो, 4 चम्मच नमक चाटते रहना, है ना। लेकिन हिम्मत मत हारना।